Hello guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Now we have got a new video for you. The most famous mutton biryani. Let's see the process to clean the mutton. Take good quality mutton and clean the mutton properly 3 to 4 times. Let's see the process to marinate it. Add salt according to the taste. Add turmeric powder. Add chilli powder. Mix them well. After it's mixed, we have to transfer it into any jar and keep it in the fridge at least for 2 hours or overnight is better. Now take a kadai, add oil to it, add the marinated chicken. The mutton keeps boiling that comes out from the mutton itself. Later we have to add water to it and mix it well and leave it for boiling by closing the kadai cap. We need to put the whistle to it. After 6 to 8 whistles, the mutton becomes soft, like this. When it is like this, the mutton is properly boiled. Now we will take rice for soaking it. We have to take 4 cups rice, fully wash it. And then soak it for half an hour. We have to add oil to the kadai. Add biryani leaves to it and add onions and chilies. Now add salt to it. After its golden brown color, we have to add tomatoes to it. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Add this mixture into the mutton that we have previously boiled. Now take coriander and mint leaves and add it to the mutton. Now we have to take a pan and put it under it for the sake of dum. In meanwhile, let's see how to make coconut milk. Take chopped coconut and add it into the mixer. Add cloves, add elaichi, add cinnamon and then grind it well. We add these spices for the health benefits and for the flavor as well. Because when these flavors are put directly into the biryani, people take them out and their health benefits are vanished. We have to keep grinding it by adding water and till it turns into the coconut milk. Now we have to add this coconut milk to our mutton. Now we have to take the soaked biryani rice and add it to the mutton. Squeeze lemon to it and add ghee to it, or substitute to it can be butter as well. We add this for the taste of biryani as well as for the rice to not break. We put it under the steam and leave it under the flame for some time. When the biryani is ready, this is how it looks like. Let's see how to make the raita. Take chopped onions, add salt to it according to your taste. Add curd. To see how to make this thick curd, refer to the video link in the description. Now mix it well. Add mint and coriander for the garnish that we had already cut for the biryani. Now, this biryani that we get in the hotels and at the rarest places is ready to eat. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Travel Lovers TV.